Hi friend, I am Ganesh. I am going to simulate a zero cross detection circuit in the multisim software. First of all, open the multisim software. This is a circuit of the zero cross detection. We using the op-amp 741, two switches, SPDT switches S1 and S2, one sinusoidal voltage. This is connected to the switch S1. This is a non-inverting terminal, and this is inverting terminal. This is a plus 12 volt. Plus 12 volt is connected to the positive power supply, and this is minus 12 volt. This is connected to the negative power supply. We take one oscilloscope. Channel A is connected to the output of the op amp, and channel B is connected to the sinusoidal voltage. We take a ground. Whenever the switch S1 is connected in such a manner, at that time the sinusoidal voltage is directly connected to the non-inverting terminal of the op amp, and the inverting terminal of the op amp is grounded. Now click on run button, and we see the graph. As seen from the graph, whenever our input voltage becomes positive, at the time the output voltage of the op amp is becomes high, means plus 12 volt. As soon as the input voltage crossing the zero and becomes negative, at a time the output voltage of the op amp becomes negative. In this way we detecting the zero crossing of the input voltage. uh, Now we changing the position of the switches. Now if the switch S1 and S2 is connected in such a manner, now at that time the input voltage is connected to the inverting terminal, and the non-inverting terminal is grounded. Now further click on run and see the graph. In this position, our sinusoidal voltage whenever becomes positive, at that time the output voltage of the op amp becomes negative, means minus 12 volt, and whenever the input voltage becomes negative, and at that time our output voltage of the op amp becomes plus 12 volt. This is second circuit. In this circuit we using the IC 741 and one NPN transistor, one LED. LED is connected to the 12 volt through 1 kilo ohm resistor. This is a non-inverting terminal. This is inverting terminal. Non-inverting terminal is connected to the 12 volt via one variable resistor, and an inverting terminal is also connected to the 12 volt through one variable resistance. We take one oscilloscope, and it connected to the output of the op amp. Now click on run. This is multimeter. This is second multimeter. As seen in the multimeter reading, non-inverting terminal voltage is 7.797, and inverting terminal voltage is 6 volt. Means non-inverting terminal voltage is higher than to the inverting terminal voltage, so the output of the op amp becomes positive. So the LED is glow. If we changing the resistance of the non-inverting terminal, if we increased it, as seen from the multimeter 1, the voltage at the non-inverting terminal becomes uh, low 4.2 volt, and the inverting terminal voltage is 5.996. means inverting terminal voltage is higher than to the non-inverting terminal voltage, so the output of the op amp becomes minus 12 volt. So LED becomes off. Thank you.